we have gathered here to have a discussion on the case study topic. So our topic today is IoT-based Smart Home Automation System using Microcontroller. So this is how our discussion is going to begin with this IoT-based sensors using microcontrollers technique, right? So shall we begin the case study? Yes.
So I am Shaili from BTech for Technology. I'm going to give the introduction to smart home automations. So which means using digital technologies and IoTs, which means Internet of Things, and using electronic control system in order to control our home devices or appliances through automatically. And what it is mean by smart home automations? It is the system where we use or where the home appliances like lights, fans, lockers, sensors, all will be controlled by smartphones, voice commands, sensors and microcontrollers. So why do we need this? Because at the present modern lifestyle, people prefer to be comfort and security and convenient. So due to comfort level, they want everything to be operated by the fingerprint or fingerprint. And they wanted the security level convenient, like alarms, security cameras, door locker sensors, and the energy efficiency. The appliances must be automatically operated. And what is the role of IoTs in this field is, they used to connect our home appliances to the internet so that one can operate the appliances automatically from anywhere, and they can monitor the home condition, what is going on in and around, and they can receive notifications and sensors, alarms like a daily updates. And what is the role of microcontrollers? Microcontrollers acts as the brain of the system, so which controls the sensors like gas sensors, motion sensors, temperature sensors, light sensors, and the energy efficiency like receiving notifications. All these are done, and like wireless communications by using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So all these are controlled by the microcontrollers. And what are all the needs and problems faced in the olden traditional method is, in the olden days we depend on manual switching. So there will be no automation. So what are all the difficulties they faced is, one is energy wastage. So they may be forgetting to turn off the lights and fans. So the continuous running results in high electricity bill. And also it will be not convenient for them. And the second one is increased effort. Like we depend on manual switching, so it will be not convenient for the modern and busy lifestyle of people. They will be busy in their surroundings, so it is not convenient. And the increased energy efficiency. So we may forget to switch off, so our energy consumption is high. And for the elderly peoples and the disabled peoples, they are hard to reach the switches. So it will be difficult for them to use it. So for all these reasons, we need to make our home appliances automated by using IoTs and microcontrollers. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Napna, and today we are going to talk about the system architecture and how the components are used in this automation system. There are three layers, which is one sensor layer, processing layer, IoT communication layer. So in sensor layers, ESP32 or ESP8266 where handles the data processing and the communication system. Sensors like PIR is used for motion detection, and we also attach the LDR for the light detection so that the automation system can be worked when there is a light sensoring. And then DHT11 for temperature and humidity sensors also. We also attach the relay use for on and off purposes. And the communication layers use a Wi-Fi to connect the system to the cloud platforms also, while application layer consists of a mobile app or a web dashboard so that they can control it using mobile only. And then if you see the working principle of this automation system, the IoT system works on based on the sensing the environment around us. So if there is any movement or any motion, it was detected by our detectors, and accordingly like the light will switch on and off. And also there is a pre-programmed real-time monitoring automation routines. For example, turning off the lights before the 10 p.m. like that.
Hi everyone, I am Jeffrey. Today I am going to talk about the integration of the IoT in our manual system of activities. So integration of the IoT sends some information to our mobile app. So we can easily access the application through in every area. So if you include the cloud integration in the system, we can assess the electronic devices by automating the lights or fans according to the temperature or the scheduled times. And then if you include the IoT integration, we have a safety also. They have a alarm system and push notification to the users for if it analyze the unusual movement in the surrounding, or if some time schedules are completed, the user may recognize that our time is completed when the systems are operating. So in our system, we include some features. First feature, we want to include an app which will communicate the usage of fans or lights automatically to our phone, and then the energy efficiency per day through how we use the electricity in that particular day. That the notification will easily come to our mobile phone through the app. And the second application may be using the sensor for protection purpose in a door lock sensor or camera integration for the safety purpose. And the third sensors may be for the gas leakage or some fire due to the electric circuit shortage. That then the fire alert will be easily come to our phone or through alerts. The user may be aware of that particular issue. Then the IoT integration also analyze the unusual movement in night and the motion of unwanted animals. That issue also easily be considered to the user. That's all.
So hello everyone, I'm going to say about advantages, limitations and real world impact. So the main advantage include energy savings, enhanced safety and better control over appliances. So smart house helps to reduce electricity bills up to 30% and provide comfort for elderly and physically challenged people. However, this system also has some limitations, dependency on internet connectivity, initial cost of installations, and need for technological understanding about concern about cybersecurity. Despite these limitations, the real world impact is highly positive. So the smart house technology is widely used in modern apartments, villas, and commercial buildings.
Conclusion, I will speak about smart home applications in microcontroller. This changes the traditional living space into an intelligent environment. In future enhancement, smart homes brings integrating AI-based voice assistants and curtains, etc. In upcoming years, we see integrated smart home applications using microcontroller.
So we come to the conclusion that how a microcontroller has been efficiently replaced for the smart home automation purpose. So you know that recently the technology has been advanced and IoT plays a major role not only in the home automation purpose but also in the healthcare industry, right? So we say that as an IoT, right? So this has a vast advantage of replacing how we are going to use the sensors and how we are going to integrate with the mobile phones using the Wi-Fi technology, right? So thank you.
Thank you.